Today we're going to be changing out the radio in our 2005 Ford Mustang. First tools you'll need for this are a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver, ratchet, extension and socket, which is 7 millimeters. Let's get started. Open up your armrest lid and you'll find 2 screws right here. And these I've already started, so take those out. Next thing you need to do, pull your emergency brake up as high as you can get it and carefully lift up on this. Get my hand in here like this. You can lift this up and that'll also take out your bezel here around your shifter. No need for any pry tools. All right, now once you lift this up, pull it up from the front like that and slip it over your parking brake. That's how you take off your console. Next thing we'll do is take off these 2 panels right here. Just pull on them. And it comes right off. Next thing we'll do is we'll take out these 7 millimeter. There's 6 of them, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. And that will help us get this panel off. And we'll go from there. Now you can gently pull down, because there's a clip up here, and pull out. Now you have to take care of these 2 clips over here. Just press on the side. There's a clip right here. Just press on it right there. Okay, and same thing on this one. Press on that clip right there at the top. And then your lighter, actually it's on the clip that's right over here on the side. Just press on that and it'll come right out. We have 2 more we have to take off. One is for this on this side and one is on this side. And I'll show you how to do that. You have to get it from back here. You have a great clip right here. Okay? Just press on it with your screwdriver right there. Okay, and that'll enable you to pull down on it like that. And it pops right out. Okay, that's one. And the other one is on the other side. So you have another one over here, which is this black one right here. And just get your screwdriver in here, right here, and press on that. You're gonna press that down. Press that down and pull it out, just like that. Now that you have both of these unhooked, just carefully pull it out. Okay, and that's how you remove your HVAC. Now we have 2 more 7 millimeters on this side and 2 on this side. 4 more 7 millimeters to undo. Okay, so now you can slide your radio forward, and in the back here, there are, for the shaker radio, there's 3 clips. There's a big one back here. Get your hand in there. I'll press the button here. There's the big one. Just press the tab. Okay. And then there's the middle one, right, there we go. Press the tab, take the middle one out, and then there's the 3rd small one. Right over here is your antenna. This right here is your antenna. So you just want to twist it out. times. There we go. That pops right out. The whole thing pops right out. Now you can remove your radio. And now this is a shaker radio. So shaker radio has 3 ports. If you don't have a shaker radio, you'll have 2 ports. You have the big one, and then you'll probably just have this one. So this tab actually goes in there and helps you. Let's get it over the shifter and start with our antenna. There we go. And next. Line up your holes. Okay. If you need more room to get this in, start it up. You've already got your parking brake on. Let's put it in neutral. And now you can get it in easily. Next, we'll do our 12 volt. And the clip goes on the outside on this one. Yeah, that's perfect. Once you put it in, they kind of do the lever like that. Now you're in. Slip it around, just like that. Get it over the parking brake first, and once you do that, make sure all your clips are on the inside. Don't forget your bezel. And that is how you change out your radio on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. This video helped you. Please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.